Hello everyone and welcome back again. So in this tutorial I'm gonna introduce you to this, how to make use of this data, and you can make yourself a lot of money by participating IDO, IU and ICO. I will be making use of this Cryptorank to show you some of the previous data, and also how you can actually take advantage of this and make yourself a lot of money. So in this place, once I'm going to leave the link to this in the description uh, of the video. So this is Cryptorank. I believe some of you know about it, and so look at this ICO, look at this IDO. Firstly, if you notice, here is the project name. This is the project name here. We have the project name, the project type, and also we have the price, this price, and we have the sell price. The first price that only indicate price is the current price of the coin after it's been listed. So this actually show us the valid data of the coin. So this sell price is actually this price that the coin is being selling at during the IDO time. So now, for example, now let's check out this. For this one now, I think this one they have not actually listed. This coin was listed today. This Slingshot was listed today, and as on the IDO, they were selling it at rate of 0.1. So now let's head over to where it was listed and see if actually we are going to make money from this, because this is just the current price now and it has dropped. That is why you are seeing this. But let's head over to Mexi and see, because it was listed on Mexi as well. Sling. So once you come to this place, okay, Sling, you see is already on my search, and as you can see, this is the current price. Let's look at the price it was listed. So it was listed around this price, 0.07. So and on the IDO, they were selling it around 0.01. Let's assume you invest your $50. It was selling at around 0.01 and you invest your $50, maybe $50, and it was listed 0.7. That means you will have make roughly $300 using this IDO process. So let's check another coin as well. So this is just the price. These agents, you see these agents here, it was listed today as well. This was the selling price, 0.3035. I actually although I did not participate on this, and it was listed. Let's check its agent. Sorry. So the agents, I think let's start for it. Agents. Here is the current price now. They haven't updated it. So here it was listed this price, 0.62. This is what the price that it was listed. Although it was listed below, but it pumped to this price. And let's assume you were lucky to buy maybe $50 or even $10 as at the market price then, because it was 0.03 here, and you buy maybe $20 on the IDO, and it was now listed 0.6, and look at how much you will have made yourself. So IDO Launchpad is actually a game changer, but remember, not all coin can give you this money, and also you need to make a very good research about this before you can get good projects. although almost all the projects I've seen so far, they are actually giving a good ratio reward. So now the question is, how exactly can you buy this coin? So for the upcoming one, look at it here. We have the active one and we have the, look at here. If you check look at this place, we have, this is the upcoming one, this is the active one. So let's check the active one. So here is the active IDO, and you will notice the initial cap on every information you need to know about them and where they are actually launched, where you can actually buy them. Trust swap, pool finance, and everything just like that. This is where you can get them. They till you see, this is they actually have the draw date, which is the closing date, and this will, from this, the first one is having, which will close on 18th of March, and they have raised total 9.25 million dollar. So this is just actually how to participate. Once you click on it, you will find every information you need to know about the coin. So here is the information about the coin. The coin is currently active till on 18, and you monitor this price. This is the price. This is the price they are currently selling it. Here is the price. They are selling it at 0.05 at trust swap. This place, at this place. So once you go to trust swap, you will be able to buy this and participate on this IDO launch pro. So and look at the other ones again, that they are still okay. These are the previous one they participated. So this was the price they sold it, and they actually sold it on Talking Soft, and just they have different platform that they actually sell it, and they later they, those are the investors, the private investors that invest on it. So this is just the information on the coin, that, and before you participate, this is just the information you need to know about the coin. And you can also go to the overview and view more information again about it as well. So this is actually a game changer, and you can make yourself a living by participating on this IDO launch pool and others. So there are still a lot of secrets behind it, and there is still a lot of sites that participate this IDO. But using this Cryptorank to just give you a overview of what you need to know about the IDO launch pool. So that is all for this video now. So I will really appreciate if you guys actually support my on social media handle, like my Twitter and other stuff. So I will really appreciate that. Thank you so much.